Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to take a closer look at this Audi RS5 made by Bburago at the 1/24 scale. This model is metallic and only has opening doors. The steering seems to be functional, but the travel is very little. Let's take a closer look. The paint job looks impeccable. I really like it. Also we have the headlights, which look pretty good. We have the RS5 logo there on the grille. Also we have the Audi logo. The grille, of course, is not perforated. The wheels look pretty good. The Audi logo there in the center. But the big disappointment is the fact that we are not having brake disc and brake calipers, which is a shame. In the back as well. The stop lights look pretty good. Also we have the exhausts, which are blacked out. We have the RS5 logo there and the Audi logo there. And also we have this lip, which hasn't got a carbon fiber texture. It would be nice in my opinion. Let's open the door to check out the inside. The interior looks pretty good. We have the Audi logo there. In the center of the wheel we have the clocks there. Also we have the infotainment system which has RS5 and the front of the model on it. And on this side we even have some carbon fiber texture, which is a plus. And also we have carbon fiber on the side mirrors. It's a shame Bburago didn't put brake discs and brake calipers. I think it would have been a beautiful model, but in my opinion it still is. Just to look at it, I really like the paint. Please tell me in the comments what your thoughts, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos.